Hello guys, this is Amy from the House of Fossies. Today I want to share with you a subscription box that I received in the mail called Literati, Books as Magical as Your Child. You can find out more information from literatibooks.com. You can also sign up there. So let me show you the box, but also tell you a little bit about it. This is a subscription box that's a little bit different than what I normally talk about. This is a once a month fee type of box where you pay a certain fee. Right now I believe it's $9.95. And so every month you pay $9.95. They send your child 4 to 5 books, really, really good books from what I'm seeing. And if you don't like the books, they provide you a postage paid envelope. You send them back, make sure they're in new condition. You're not charged. If you do like the books, there is a list in here of what they will bill you for the books that you've decided to keep. So $9.95 a month. Double check the website. Right now that's what it is. If you like the books, you keep them, and you're billed for the books. If you don't like the books, send the books back, but you're still billed the monthly fee because that's going to cover the cost of gathering the books, sending you the books, shipping you the books, whatnot. Okay, so let me go over really quickly what we have in here. They sent me a nice card. Now, this should have my daughter's name on it, but when I signed up, I didn't even give them my daughter's name. I guess they had my name, but that's fine. I like to see my name. A little bit about one of the authors, Author Spotlight. Oh, a sweet little thing you can hang on the wall, on the fridge, somewhere. It's so sweet. This tells you all about the books that they sent you. And every month they have a theme. In addition, there are age categories you can choose from. I picked for my daughter who's 6, and I want to say I picked for her the ages 6 and 7, or maybe it was 6 to 8, somewhere around that area. So all of these books, from what we're seeing, they're pretty long. She can read them pretty good, but what I like about them is that she can read them pretty good right now, but pretty soon she's going to read them really good. So she's going to grow with them. So that's a bonus. Okay, so here's the list of books that they sent, in addition to how much the books will be charged to you if you decide to keep them. So they are competitive, number 1. Number 2, the books they send are really good. I know I already said that, but they are really good. They sent 2, 4, 5 books. Most of these are hard copy books, which I love because hard copy means they're forever books. Okay, so let's go over the books really fast. If You Were the Moon, loving it. This is a wonderful bedtime story. Oh, love it. So see the words, there's a lot of words, but I know my daughter knows all the words. It's just going to take her time to read them, and soon she'll be able to read them faster than I can. Hidden Figures. So what I love about the selection of books that they sent is that there's a variety. One theme, but a variety. The story of Drop and Snowflake. This is one of those books where you open it on this side. Oh, look how beautiful those colors are. Those are so pretty. And then when you're done, love this. Flip it. Oh my gosh, check it out. And we're going to open it. Oh my gosh, the snowflake. Look. 2 books in one. Loving the illustrations. These are just so beautiful. So many details on that book. Okay, so let me move a few things. Okay, so now this is so cute. I'm a manatee. My daughter's gonna love this. Has a CD in it as well. So that's gonna be a really fun book. Okay. Then we have a biography. Look how beautiful this book is. The colors, the drawings. I'm loving this book. The words, there's not too many words on one page. That's a bonus for me. because my daughter has a tendency to stress over a book if it's got too many words on one page. I'm loving it. Okay. Oh, was that the 4 books? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those were the 5 books. Okay. And what we also have here, oh, this is sweet. They send you little book labels. I don't know if they do this every time, but once again, there's my name. Hey, this book belongs to Amy. When I should have had it say Bella, but whatever. I like my name. If you decide to keep the books, you can put these in the book. Make your daughter feel special, or your son. Okay, and this is what I was talking about. If you don't like the books, or if you want to donate used books to other kids that might need some books, postage paid envelope, no charge to you. So let's review. Postage paid envelope, book labels, 1 book. It's paperback. I know I said most were hardback, but this one's paperback. But you know, this is a really nice book. I love the features of the book, the illustrations, the color, the words. This is another paperback, but it has a CD along with it. 2-sided book. Book number 4. Teach your kids about people in the world. If You Were the Moon. The book list and prices. Sweet little drawing. Illustrator spotlight and a specialized card. So there you go. Go to the website. LiteratiBooks.com. It will tell you everything you need to know. If you have questions, email them. Feel free to message me. I can try to help you or lead you in the right way. But this is really cool. I'm a fan. I love books. And you know what? The books you decide to buy, later on when you decide you don't want them, send them to the school. The schools always need books for their school library. Or send them back to Literati, and they'll donate them to kids that might not have books. So there you go. If you have questions, holler, subscribe, let me know what you think. Thanks.